a brand new car, take a ride and get over stress. Be on point if I let you come, pull up, better come and press. Smoking, planning all through the night, I just want me a bigger chick. Stand down, never leave my side, even if the money coming bigger list. I need a bigger chick, chain waiting more, I need a bigger nigga, keeping it flowing, don't even get the flicks. Feel like I need some brand new diamonds once they want. If they gon' watch me, I'ma make sure they see ice up on my arm. Just want shopping geek, that's all I won't do if we go torn. Friendships on man, I ain't do anything for the cross me up on the internet, saying something. Feel it's all fraud, I done loved hard, it ain't nothing good, I done seen front. I can't take it back, I can't push rewind, I ain't fucking around with the same friend. Say you got my back, separate with me, everything same fronted. Like you ain't mine, you done ran off, you can gon' keep running. Get it off my mind, you can say time, we ain't gotta speak for nothing. You can say the message, screenshot the time. You can blow the clock, I'll make it gain speed, still out point to me right now. Figure I should buy a brand new car, take a ride and get over stress. Be on point if I let you come, pull up, better come and press. Smoking, planning all through the night, I just want me a bigger chick. Stand down, never leave my side, even if the money coming bigger list. Bigger list, if it don't expand or stretch, these niggas don't stand a chance. These niggas ain't eligible for compete. Get a new advanced event, tell them that I passed the test. Tell me that I am the best, and that you with me and I ain't leaving me. 400 for a black ops stick, that's a bin line need. You can go to the sky reach, couldn't even know equally nigga, you not my seat. Someone gon' die, I teach. Pussy boy, better close your mouth. Running cars with them stolen plays and the stolen rolls waiting outside your house. Then the double wait soon, see your face, then take it off. All they talk about, he got that old one, new one he ain't buy it. Fucked up eyelids, talking about new one that don't drive it. I'm just saying, don't play with me, and that's it, don't play with me. Figure I should buy a brand new car, take a ride and get over stress. Be on point if I let you come, pull up, better come and press. Smoking, planning all through the night, I just want me a bigger chick. Stand down, never leave my side, even if the money coming bigger list.